blah 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 blah. Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. Subscribe, holler at me. Check this out. This is not a Harley. It's a Ford F-150. America's #1 best-selling pickup. On with that. Anyways, this is a 2008 Ford F-150. That's right. You heard it. Harley Davidson edition, guys. Kick-ass truck. Awesome, awesome features around this. Bone stock. Okay, it's not like me, but it is today. Bone stock F-150, besides the window tint. So here's the truck. I'm going to give you a little review around it real quick. It's running on a set of Nitto Terra Grappler tires. They probably got about 30% tread left. Underside is really clean. The frame's in great shape. There's the underside right there. So you can see that. These look like the fake me step rails. They look like they come out like the navigation or navigators doing all that shit, Escalades, but it's just an appearance package thing from the Harley. Doesn't even move, doesn't even come out. Harley Davidson right here, super glossy paint, really nice. It's got a few scratches in it. It is a 2008. Shit. So anyways, here's the back tailgate, get some scratches in it. LINEX bed liner, really nice. Nice cap right here, guys. These are a kick-ass cap. This is all Truxedo. Awesome cap, I recommend it. It velcros down on the sides and it peels up and folds up. You can actually fold it up with this little tab right here. You push this tab in and it folds up probably 6 or 7 times. Awesome truck, awesome bed cap. Cool little truck setup right here. Really, really nice. I'm gonna go over the details with you guys in a minute. It should be in the low teens I'm pricing this truck at. So if you guys have any questions, you wanna holler at me about it, holler at me. So there you have it right here. Ford F-150 2008. And the best part about it now, I'm going to show you guys the inside. Ready? Keypad. Oh look, keypad. You can lock it and unlock it. Best part about it. Ready? The little tiny little cute little Harley Davidson symbols all incorporated all of this whole goddamn truck, like I said in the previous video. Little kind of hole in the matte carpet right there, but who cares? Accented Harley pedals, Harley seats. The interior is nice. It's got a DVD rear entertainment system right here. I'll go over that in a second. It's got 164,000 miles, 645 on it. Runs and drives great, starts up great. Gloss black accents everywhere. Factory system, 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive. You get your badge right there that display the actual year it was built, the actual number of the production, and the VIN number, signifying a Harley truck. For all you haters out there, oh, that's a fake one. Oh, they put it together. Come on, man. Pull a VIN number. There you go. That's how you can tell, guys, really. So there's the Harley symbols, all the dash right there on the side, in the seats, in the rear seats. It's everywhere. You know, it's a really nice truck. Black headlight. That's what I love about Ford. As far as drivability, this truck really drives nice, honestly. So, it sounds good. Has a nice roar to it. It's got a nice groan. Going on the rear, inside's really nice and clean. Super clean, guys. You guys are gonna like this truck a lot. Super clean carpets in the back, like nobody's even sat down in. I can guarantee it. Because here's the back setup right here. So we got, I don't know how to turn this damn thing on. There you go, power on. Okay, there it is. Factory Ford, built-in auxiliary. How do you like that? Kick-ass little setup, guys. If you have kids, put those little shits back here, put some headphones on, and they'll be good on a whole road trip right there. So hope you like that. Here's the truck. Here's the front view of the dash right there. Nice leather. It's like this goldish bronze looking leather. I really like it. On the shifter, accented with some chrome, and on the seats. You'll like that a lot. That's a Harley kind of signature right there. Same, there you go again. Harley little symbols everywhere with that bronze like accent. Cool thing I like about this truck, guys, is you can pull the seats up right here and it locks in place and you get a lot of room right there. Kick-ass room right there. Put it back down, boom, ready to go. Nunchucks, nunchucks. The door jambs are really clean. There's the VIN number again. No rust on the door jambs, they're all really clean. That's it. Automatic windows. Turn signals are incorporated into the mirrors, which I like a lot too. It's a really good thing to have. Fog lights work. So I'm gonna do a whole review of the truck when I walk around and end the video, so I can get the hell home. There it is. Tow hitch, 75 to 8,500 pound towing capacity. Who knows? Whatever. Who cares? You'll tow whatever you want. I know you guys out there, you're like, oh, I got a friggin' F-150 or a Silverado 1500. I hauled my 48-foot camper last week and blew the tranny. You wonder why? or on best one yet. Dude, I came to a stop and I skidded straight into traffic. The truck was practically doing a wheelie. Oh, cool. But there it is right there, guys. There's the F-150. I'm gonna go back over this side because I was chit-chatting and shit like that. Hood's really nice. Great condition, shiny, glossy. There is a few scratches and dents and rock chips and stuff, but overall it's a nice truck. This is Mark signing out. Oh, proximity sensors too. Back up 1, 2, 3, 4 in the Harley. This is Mark signing out with 2008 Ford F-150 Harley Davidson edition. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe, holler at me. Peace out.